Hi, everybody, and this is Gregory once again, and it is so good to be with you and to share my thoughts with you. I'm standing outside my balcony of my apartment, and I'm just having a view of the mountains outside, and it's a bit cloudy today. And a thought occurred to my mind, that everything works according to a pattern, everything works according to a system. If you look at, and every pattern produces a result, every system produces a result. Now, you take the weather that we live in India. There is from June to maybe September, October, we have the rainy season. Now, that's a system. We get the rains, and then the climate changes. Similarly, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. That's a pattern. That's a system that operates the world. You never get up one day at 8 o'clock in the morning and realize that it is still dark, or it is still night, or you never go to bed at 9 o'clock in the night and you look out and you say, "Oh, it's still bright." No, because everything has a system. Everything works according to a pattern, and that pattern produces a result. Look at our daily lives. Those who are housewives will know that there is a pattern in the way you keep things in the house. Your clothes will be in a wardrobe. That's a particular pattern. It's a system. In the kitchen, you have your utensils, your gas. You cook food in the kitchen. That's a pattern. That's a system that you follow. You keep your shoes on the shoe rack. You bathe in the bathroom. And these are patterns. When you are driving your vehicle or when you are traveling, you follow a particular pattern. There is a red signal, there's a yellow signal, there's a green signal. When it is a red signal, you stop. When it is a yellow signal, you start your engine, and when it is a green signal, you go. That's a pattern. Everything in life, the world itself, works according to a system. It works according to a pattern, and those systems and those patterns, they produce results. Similarly, whatever results our lives are producing works according to a pattern of how you think. Your thought produces an action, and your action produces a result. And we have very rarely thought about what kind of patterns of thinking do I develop in my mindset. Do I develop a pattern of thinking which is destructive or which is constructive? Depending on what results you get, you will be able to evaluate whether your pattern of thinking is destructive or whether it is constructive. Think about it. When you wake up early in the morning, what is the thought that goes to your mind? Sometimes some people, when they get up in the morning, they get up with this thinking that I'm feeling very tired. Now imagine you slept for 7 hours and you get up in the morning and you're saying you're tired. That's a pattern of thinking that you develop. And then throughout the day, you work in a very lazy and a very lethargic way. You're not excited. You're not enthusiastic. You're not looking out for opportunities that would come in life during the day. Because when you wake up, there is a pattern in which way you think. What is the pattern of thinking have you developed in your life that causes certain things to be produced? Maybe you wake up in the morning thinking, I'm not good enough, or I'm not strong enough, or it's going to be a hard day, or it's going to be a difficult day, or there are problems that I will not be able to solve. And when you wake up in the morning, you wake up with this pattern of destructive thinking. And then you don't feel empowered to take decisions, or you don't feel empowered to take action towards where you want to go. And so we develop these patterns of thinking that are destructive, that produces destructive results. So have you thought about it? What are the patterns of your thinking? What is the system in the way you develop your mindset and the way you think that is producing certain results in your lives? I want you to give this a thought. Have you developed constructive patterns of thinking over the years that empowers you towards reaching your goal? What are the words that you often use during the day? Do you use empowering words, or do you often use destructive words? They are the patterns that have developed in your mindset that is producing the emotional state that you are in and the results that you are achieving. We all have goals in lives, Very often, most of us, we have a goal. I want to buy a house, or I want to be rich, or I want to be healthy. I want to have a good family life. I want to have good relationships. I want to have enough money. I want to always be motivated. We have a goal in our life, which is very often an outward goal. It's a goal which we want to see. But I want to challenge you today morning. How about having a goal of deciding to have a constructive pattern of thinking? That you will start learning to develop a pattern of thinking that is positive, that is constructive, that is filled with faith, that is filled with hope, that gives you an opportunity to look forward to life, to help you achieve your goals and your dreams. How about learning to develop? And it's a process. Developing these patterns of thinking is a process. It's a deliberate process that you have to take every day, each day of the moment. So I want to leave you with this thought. How about making your goal today to say, I am going to learn to develop constructive patterns that's going to empower me to make quality decisions and to achieve the goals that I really long to achieve and my dreams to be fulfilled. So I want to leave you with this thought. If you have any questions, do WhatsApp me, or you can connect with me. And if you really like my videos, please subscribe to my video channel. Thank you and have a super day. God bless.